Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn, that is lesson number 5, eating healthy. Okay, so this lesson is started in the previous class only, and today we are going to continue the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, so yesterday we learned that food is our basic need. Okay, and it is a very necessary thing that we should eat regularly. Okay, if we skip our food for one day or for one time only, we will become ill or we will become weak. Okay, so that's because food is a very necessary and basic need for a human being. Okay, so next, some of the reasons are there. Okay, some of the reasons are there that for why the food is important. Okay, the food is important because it gives us energy to do work. Yes, food gives us energy to do work in our daily life. Next, it helps us to grow. Yes, our body needs energy, so we have food. Next, our body, it helps our body to grow. Okay, next, it keeps us healthy and fit. Okay, and it also helps us to fight the diseases. Okay, so these all are the importance of food. Okay, so that's because we call that food is a very basic need that we have to do. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some kinds of food. Okay, there are kinds of foods are there. Okay, so different kinds of food fulfill different needs of our body. Okay, I told you that there are different kinds of foods are there, and all those different kinds of foods fulfill our different kinds of needs which our body is needed. Okay, so we need all of them, we need all those kinds of foods. Okay, so you can't say like that we will have, okay, I will have this kind of food and I will not have this kind of food. Okay, because all kinds of food are very necessary for our body. Okay, so kinds of food. In kinds of food, first we will learn about energy giving food. What is that? Energy giving food. Energy giving food. So what is this? What is energy giving food? Okay, why our body requires energy giving food? Okay, see here, the kind of food gives us energy. This kind of food gives us energy. Which kind of food? Energy giving food gives us energy. Okay, so first one, it gives us energy. It gives us energy. Okay, and you know that our body needs energy to do work, to study, to everything. For everything our body needs energy. Yes, so that's because we should have energy giving foods. So the second one, it gives us energy. Which food gives us energy? Energy giving foods. Okay, do you know what are the examples and what are the foods that gives us energy to do work? Which kind of foods are those? See, wheat, potato, rice. Okay, wheat, potato and rice. Okay, and next one is maize, etc. Still many are there. Okay, still many are there. These all kinds of food will give you energy to your body to do work. Okay, what are those? Wheat, potato, rice, maize. Okay, so we ಎಲ್ಲ ತರದ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾವು? ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, so all energy giving food, these are the called energy giving items. These are the called energy giving items or foods. Okay, so what are the energy giving food? It gives us energy. Okay, first one, these kinds of foods gives us energy to do work in our daily life. And what are the some examples or what are the some food items? Okay, for example, energy giving food is wheat, potato, rice and maize. This is all about energy giving food. Okay, and this is the first kind of food. Now what is the second kind? Okay, it is the first one. Second one, body building food. What is that? Body building food. Body building food. What is this? Which kind of food is this? Okay, see, This kind of food helps our body to grow. So this kind of food helps our body to grow. You know that our body needs energy, also our body grow day by day. Nam body enagutta day by day grow agutta. Okay, we become taller, we become fatter. Okay, so how it becomes? By eating the bodybuilding food. Okay, the kind of food helps our body to grow. It helps our body to grow. Body to grow. Nam body grow agಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, some examples for bodybuilding foods. See, these are the examples for energy giving food. Now what are the examples or food items for the bodybuilding food? See, first one is pulses, eggs, milk, pulses. Okay, and the next one is eggs, fish. Okay, and next one is dal and fruits. These are the what bodybuilding foods. These all are the bodybuilding food. Milk. Okay, next pulses, egg, fish, dal and fruits. These all are the bodybuilding food. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಎಗ್, ಫಿಶ್, ದಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ food. What is that? It helps our body to grow. First one, body building food. ಏನಿದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸ? It helps our body to grow. Next, such items for body building foods are milk, pulses, egg, fish, dal and fruits. Okay, so this is about body building food. Now after this, the third one is there. What is that? Protective food. What is that? Protective food. That is third one. Okay, what is that? Protective food. What is protective food? This kind of food protects us from various diseases. Okay, this kind of food protects us from various kinds of or types of diseases. In ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಜ್ವರ, ನೆಗಡಿ, ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಫುಡ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ green leafy vegetables. Okay, green leafy vegetables and fruits are the some examples for protective food. ಹೆಂಗು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀಫಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೋಗ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬರಲಿ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ us from various diseases. It protects our body. It protects our body to fight with diseases. Fight with diseases. Okay. And what are the food items? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ food items ಬರ್ತಾವು? First one, fruits. Okay, and green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Okay. See. So, what is protective food? It protects our body to fight with diseases. ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, vegetables. ಓಕೆ, ಹಸಿರು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ protective food. Okay, so these are the three types actually, kinds of foods. First one is energy giving food, next protective food, and body building food. I told you that what those particular foods do with our body and what are the examples, what are the food items. Okay, so first one I will explain one more time. The kind of food which gives us energy is called as energy giving food. Some examples for energy giving foods like wheat, potato, rice, maize, etc. Next, what are the body building food? The kind of food which help our body to grow is called body building food. Such examples like fish, eggs, milk, okay, dal and fruits. Next, the last one is, and third one is protective food. It protects our body to fight with diseases, and some kinds of food items are fruits and green leafy vegetables. Fine. After this, a balanced diet. How you should balance your diet, how you should eat, what you should eat. Okay, see, balanced diet. It is that balanced diet. Now you know that different kinds of foods serve different needs. Now you know that from different kinds of foods you can get different kinds of energies and different kinds of nutrients. Okay, so they are all important for us. Yes, is it? All kinds of foods are very important for our body. Okay, if you are eating energy giving foods but you are not eating body building foods, then your body will not grow properly. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಟಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಉಳಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೈಟೇ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that's because all types of foods are very necessary for our body. Okay, and our body needs us. They are all important for us. They are all important for us. Next, we should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner. We should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner. Balanced manner in the sense, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? What will happen if you will overeat? ಓವರಾಗಿ ಈಟಾಗಿ ತಿಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಡುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೌದಾ? So your eating habit should be in a balanced manner. Okay, so this is known as balanced diet. What is balanced? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ತಿಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. We should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner. We should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner. Called balanced diet. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಓವರಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೈಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಡೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈಟ್? What is diet? Diet is what we eat in a on a daily basis. Okay, ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ತಿಂತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಡೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಡೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಡೈಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೀವು ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Okay, because water is very important for your body. It hydrates your body. ಇಫ್ ನೀವು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಡೈಟ್. Add water in your daily diet. Daily diet. Your daily diet again add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು water. It is very important. Okay. So what is balanced diet? We should eat all kinds of food in a balanced manner. That we call balanced diet. And one more thing that you should add in your diet is water. So up to here is enough for today. The remaining things like sources of food are there. Yes, sources of food in the sense sometimes we eat plants, sometimes we eat other animals. Chicken, mutton tintiv gotta? Yes, not all the people, but some of the people eat non-veg also. So what are the sources of food? Sources of food are plants as well as animals. Okay. So these will all things we will discuss in the next class. Read this lesson for 2 times again, and I will continue in the next class.